everyone, this is Chloe from Cousin DIY. Today we're going to make another mask holder. The previous mask holder we made was made out of cording and we sewed on Swarovski crystals. Today's mask holder will be made out of beads and wire. We'll be stringing the beads on the wire. So this version is exactly as the beads come off the bead strands. But today I'm going to make another one and I'm going to mix up the beads in a little different pattern. Let's get started. First step is to determine how long you want your mask holder. This one is about 23.5 inches, and to that you should add another 5 or 6 inches at least. So I think I'm going to cut about 30 inches just so I have plenty of wire. So 12, 24, 30. Now I'm going to start playing with my beads and figure out what pattern. I've got 3 different size beads. The strand has 3 different size of these rondelles, which are kind of squished rounds. We've got the larger ones, the medium-sized ones, and some small ones. So I took them off the strands so I could mix them up and play with them. Another tool you might want to use is this flocked beading palette that we sell. You can lay your beads out in different designs if you'd like, and I'm just showing you that as an option. But I think I'm going to play with mine today here on my work surface. Okay. So I think if I take the large and the small, and then I do 3 smalls on either side. So I have large, medium on each side, and 3 smalls. So I think I'll try repeating that pattern and see if I like it. So I think it's probably best for us to attach one end of our wire to a jump ring, which I'm going to slide onto our lanyard hook. I'm going to take a crimp. I'm going to slide the crimp onto this end of the wire. I'm going to put it back through the jump ring. Bring the wire back through the crimp. And I'm going to take crimping pliers and close that crimp securely. Crimping is a 2-step process. There. Now I'm going to start playing with my bead pattern. I'll try 3 small, a hole. I know you're there. Medium, large, medium, and another 3 smalls. I'm going to thread on or string on one more and see if I'm going to like it. Oh yeah, I think I'm going to like it. So I'm going to go ahead and string on about 23.5 inches because that's the length I like my mask holders to be. So I'll just be repeating this pattern over and over again. Okay. I'll just double check my measurement. 12. Yes, it's about 23.5 inches long. So I will now attach a jump ring to another lanyard clip. Slide a crimp tube bring my wire through the jump ring and back through the crimp tube. Now I'm going to pass my wire through a few more beads just to make it more stable, but you don't have to. If for any reason your crimp tube should break when you're trying to crimp it, if you do something like this, you have a little extra wire to work with should you have to re-crimp it. Then I like to, once I pull that wire through the crimp tube and a few extra beads, just like to make sure that it's going to drape nicely. You don't want to crimp the wire so tightly that it buckles and you don't have a nice drape with your beads. So now that we've done that, crimp this one. Trim our wire. So let's attach a mask. I always wear a mask holder on my mask now, so when I'm going in and out of stores or out running errands or I'm walking my dog and I'm encountering people, I can take my mask off when I don't need it, put it on when I do need it, but I always have it with me. So let's see what this looks like. There we go. a little bit of bling. Woo! If you make your own mask holder, we'd love to see it. We also sell other beads on our website. So if you choose to make one and you want to share it with us, please share it with us on Instagram at #CreateWithCousin. Thanks for joining us today. See you again. Bye. Wear your mask.